Bosch brings to you fully automatic front-loading German-engineered washing machines to give you germ-free clothes. Available in 6 kg, 6.5 kg and 7 kg capacity, making it ideal for an Indian family. The Allergy Plus program washes clothes at 60 degrees Celsius, giving hygienic, clean and germ-free laundry. Say goodbye to germs and allergies. Bosch washing machines are equipped with an advanced technology that can sense the water level according to the load and automatically adjusts the water level. Bosch washing machines are equipped with a powerful motor that is powerful, silent and built to last. Anti-vibration side panels reduce vibrations to ensure greater stability during the washing and spinning process. Bosch's Variodrum's wave droplet design provides a thorough yet gentle cleaning for both tough and delicate clothes. Available with a 2-year warranty on product and 10-year warranty on compressor. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.